Howdy from Texas, it's Chef Clark here. Hey you guys, today we're going to learn to make homemade banana pudding. Are you ready? This is great to make banana cream pies with and all that stuff. So we're going to make some homemade banana pudding right now. Stand by. Alrighty, the first thing you have to do, I got to turn this screen where I can see what's going on here. You get a knife, okay, a knife. You take this beautiful banana that we just bought. We're going to peel it, something like this. Okay, there you have it, and there it is, one peeled banana. Now what you want to do, just cut it up into chunks like so. They don't have to be any specific size, just they're going to be mush here in a minute. Hopefully you've got one of these. I hope you have one of these, a food processor of some sort. But we're going to take our bananas and we're just going to throw them in the food processor like this. Okay, just like that. Now, what you want to do next, you want to get the milk out. So we're going to get out our milk. There's our cup measuring stick. Actually, this one's the cup right there. Okay. And we're just going to put a couple of cups of milk in here. Well, there's one of them right there. Do that again. Well, this is going to make about the same as if you bought a banana pudding mix at the store, but this is so much better. You just take, now notice I didn't do several things here. I added no sugar, not needed. No sugar needed whatsoever. Okay. We're just going to spin this on the pie for a little bit until it's nice and smooth, okay? Okay, we're going to call that good. There's little banana bits left in it, all the best. It makes it deliciously wonderful anyway. See there? It's going to bubble and carry on. But what we're going to do now is we're going to transfer this over to the stove, like so. And we're going to put this on high. We're going to get out our cornstarch, okay? Now this is Klark, Chef Klark's official cornstarch making tool here, okay? This is the cornstarch making tool. So we're going to set that there like this. We're going to get out a great big old spoon. That's a little spoon. Here's a great big old spoon right here. Okay, now what we're going to do now, we're going to grab us a couple of heaping teaspoons of this here cornstarch. We're going to put them heaping teaspoons in here like this. Okay. All right, here we go. All we want really now is just a little bit of water. Not tons, just a little bit. Just enough to where we can make a nice little soupy mix out of that cornstarch, okay? Let's try and show you what we got going on here, okay? To where it's about like that, okay? Have your handy whisk too, okay? A handy whisk. She's starting to boil, Captain. At this stage, when it's starting to get boil-like, you want to be stirring it constantly, okay? You want to be stirring it like crazy all the time. You don't want it to get burnt on the bottom at all. We're going to let go, and yeah, she's ready. So now we're going to add roughly half of what we have in cornstarch and see what happens here. And it's stiffening up along the bottom big time. This is where you really have to pay attention. You don't want it too thick, but you want it thick enough, so it's getting there. Pretty much like what it is. I'm going to add a little bit more. Yeah, that's going to be just fine. We're going to take it off the heat now. Okay, we're going to take it off the heat and continue stirring until we get all this foamy stuff incorporated into it. Okay? And we have just made a ton. I'm telling you, a ton of banana pudding here. It's just that easy. 2-3 ingredients, right? We used the banana, that's one ingredient. We used cornstarch, that's the second ingredient. And we used milk. That's it. Now what you want to do is you want to put this into something and let it cool, but we're going to let it cool down for a while first. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to build a banana cream pie, okay? You like banana cream pie? I sure do. I love it. My favorite, other than icebox lemon pie, it's probably my favorite. Anyway, I don't have any graham cracker crust for a pie, so I'm going to teach you how to make your own. We're going to use cookies, okay? I did this the other day, and oh God, it's good. We're just going to take regular vanilla wafer cookies, throw them in the food processor, just like so. About enough what we figure to cover the bottom of my pan here. I think that'll probably get it right there. Now, I throw them in whole. Then I'm going to take a little bit of butter. Butter. There's a spoonful at least of that. Put in there. And get it down in there a little bit. Like so. About one huge heaping teaspoon of butter ought to do it. Now we're going to put the lid on it. Bring the motor unit over here. That should ought to do it right there. Let me look. Oh yeah, perfect. Okay, perfect. That's what you want right there. Okay, now you want to take, and I don't have a round pocket pan, so we're going to use my small cake pan. And like we're about to do, we're going to take our banana pudding. Let me get out a little spatula guy. This is a little bitty one Ron and Bonnie gave me. We're just going to start putting pudding in here like so. Okay, what you want to do now is take your banana and start slicing thinly like this. What to do is just shove some of these guys down into the pie banana cream here like this and bury it just like that. Get them on top just like so. make it real pretty.